Its rich colonial history and pristine beaches is now emerging as a hub for green tourism. The ecotourism model is transforming the region by protecting marine life, creating jobs and conserving nature. Levis Musumba traveled to Sabaki to meet Marion Wangoi, who is one of the determined women reshaping the coastal tourism ecosystem. Now, from protecting endangered hippos from poachers to developing top-tier ecotourism experiences, Malindi is fast becoming a hidden gem for travel enthusiasts seeking sustainable adventures.
From the historic charm of Malindi to the serene shores of Watamu, Kilifi County has long been a prime destination for adventure, relaxation, and cultural exploration.
Because Malindi is a model town, a Swahili city-state that had this connection from a very long time and holds this very rich and ancient history for everyone to appreciate.
However, a new trend is emerging. Sustainable tourism is gaining traction, offering an alternative to mass tourism while driving significant economic impact. Nestled along the banks of River Sabaki in Magarini, Kedeng Eco Lodge is more than just an ecotourism destination. It is a conservation-driven initiative turning Malindi green.
So I can say we are a new idea because Malindi is known for the beaches. So we can say we are the green line of Malindi tourism. So we offer something different. People come and they go to the beach. After 3-4 days, they are looking for something different. Sometimes they go to the sand dunes, which are just opposite us. But we offer something very unique and different. The hippo viewing, bird watching. We plant a lot of mangroves as well.
Marion Wangoi, a teacher and environmentalist, turned her passion for nature into a thriving business. From rescuing hippos in River Sabaki from poaching to promoting sustainable ecotourism, she is protecting the environment while providing livelihoods for dozens of families.
When we started it off, there was a lot of poaching. We have hippos here. The local community were eating the hippos. But through our existence here, we have taught the people, they have seen the importance of these animals, because we bring in tourists and we have employed a lot of the local people. So they're happy and we have seen a reduction in the poaching.
Kenya's tourism industry is experiencing a remarkable shift, with international tourist arrivals surging in 2024. According to the latest economic data, inbound tourism earnings rose from 377 billion Kenyan shillings to 452 billion Kenyan shillings in 2024, driven largely by sustainable travel initiatives. Entrepreneurs like Marion are filling a critical market gap by prioritizing environmental conservation over mass tourism, thereby creating a resilient industry.
When it is raining, many other camps along the river actually close, but we try not to, because once we have engaged the local people, their families depending on us. So in our own small way, we may reduce the salaries or something like that, but we still continue. But that is a very big challenge, the season aspect of the tourism.
As the demand for sustainable tourism grows, businesses that align with the green principles stand to benefit significantly in the evolving hospitality industry. Levis Musumba, KTN.
Now, collaboration between the Pest Control Products Board, Lamu County, and farmers has